If you're looking for an easy way to give yourself a little spa moment at home, you've got to try this facial scrub from MAREE. I'm Alicia with WTI. I love it, and I love how it makes my skin feel. This texture is gentle enough that it doesn't feel harsh, but it still does an amazing job removing all those dry, dull, dead skin cells. It contains marine collagen and glycolic acid and other skin-loving ingredients to polish and balance out my skin's texture and give it a bright glow. When I use this scrub, I feel like my skin has had a truly deep cleanse. And after rinsing it off, my face just feels incredibly smooth, fresh, and clean, like I just had a facial. I also love that my skincare products seem to absorb better afterward because my skin is so soft. If your skin's been feeling a little rough, dull, or just needs a refresh, I think this is definitely worth checking out. It's become a self-care product that I really look forward to using, and that's my point of view.